In this tutorial, I wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the time function in Microsoft Excel, which is a function that will return a time with a given hour, minute, and second in Excel. And it's great because it allows you to have more flexibility when you're working with time-related data. So to kind of show how this works, you can retype in an hour, which is 8, for example. Minute, let's just say 5. And second, let's just say 23. As you can see, this returns 8:05 a.m. If you extend this out a bit more, it will also show the 23 seconds as well. Note, this isn't military time, so if you want this to be 3 p.m., for example, you need to type in 15 instead of 3. You can see 15 for the hour returns 3:05 p.m. And this is great because it allows you to have more flexibility in the sense that you can replace these different arguments with cell references or formulas. So to kind of show you what I mean, here we have some data with some example check-in times. Then just so you want to know the hour checked in, for example, and want it to just be the start of the hour instead of the specific time. Do the equals time, hour. So just kind of grab the hour from here, and you want to return the very start of the hour, so type in 0 and 0. As you can see, now it returns exactly 8 a.m. And as you can see, 10:45 returns 10 a.m., 12 p.m. returns 12 p.m. But with the time function, we can easily return the start of the hour for each of these given times, making our data more consistent. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.